Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $17,071. 24-hour volume, we're up 34%, and market cap, we're up 0.32%. Heading over to our daily chart here, it has been a while since I updated, so I do apologize. But let's take a look so far for our day. So we can see so far in today, we have actually over exceeded to 38% of our fib, which is at $17,394. Notice that the wick at the very top here has accelerated as high as the 38%. However, the body remains at the very bottom here, and this does resemble a shooting star candlestick, which simply shows us a huge impulse of the buyers pushing the price as high as they can here at 38%. However, there's selling pressure that is going to be shown today, and we are going to deep dive into a 2-hour time frame. But in a shooting star candlestick, it basically means it's an exertion of the uptrend, and it could possibly show this uptrend is going to be soon over and then coming back down to an area of support. Now, the area of support here we can see on our volume profile is essentially down here at our supply and demand zone. However, we have three candlesticks here that has actually reached a low at 16,800, which we are going to be retesting for an area of support if the price does retrace as low as this price once again. If we can see on the RSI here, it did trigger a sell opportunity in the previous 2 or 3 days. Here we can see the RSI here at 93%, which is considered as overbought, and the price itself is going to come back down along with the RSI too. Heading over to a 2-hour time frame here, you guys, we are going to see a few things with our RSI, also with our MACD indicator and our fib chart. So as I laid out here, we have our fib chart indicators. We've got 23% and also 38%. Notice at 38% of our fib at 16,878, there was a lot of retracement levels to this area as a level of support. So we are going to be testing this area of support. But most importantly, down here at this node that's sticking out from our volume profile, we can see that there are multiple nodes here that is a supply and demand zone that is going to be treated as an area of support. We have already seen it through a few of our candlesticks from December 1st all the way to December 4th as well. And of course, in the last 2-hour time frame, we can see that the candlestick wick itself is coming down to this area of support. Now, if we zoom in, I'm going to show you guys here that the RSI is considered to be oversold here. So we have the RSI here at 0.22% for our K line, and our D line is at 19%. Now, we are considered to be oversold. However, there isn't a buying opportunity quite yet until we can see the K line crosses over an uptrend past our D line itself. So that itself is going to be considered as an oversold measure. However, because it hasn't triggered that buying opportunity, the price itself is not going to alleviate or shoot up anytime soon. Because what we do actually see is that the MACD indicator has flipped from the green over to the red at an area of support from our 20 moving average here. We can see this 20 moving average with this line, which is our orange line here. And if the price does come down to an area of support here, what it is going to do, as the MACD indicator shows us that we are in the red, is going to come down to an area of support, resistance, and support. So it is going to come into a consolidation where price is going to move zigzag and sideways here. If we take a look at an area of resistance, we can see right here already at 23%, a few of our candlesticks showed this area as a good area of support, an area of resistance, an area of support. So even though it's a very small window, what we are going to see throughout today is that the price is going to come down to an area of support here around the 16.9 and then come up to an area of resistance at 17.88 and do the zigzag motion until it is finally either breached at the green indicator and flips from the red over to the green indicator. It's going to basically cross over the 23% fib chart and hit that area of resistance, or it's going to fall below the area of support depending on how big this momentum for our MACD indicator is. So those are my targets. We can again see this area here as a area of support, and then our secondary area of support here is going to be at the 38%, which is at the 8, the same thing that we saw roughly around our daily chart. So that's my quick update here for Bitcoin. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like and subscribe to the channel as well, but I'll see you guys next time.